Okay, wakangan.
Hello everyone, once again, my name is January and we are here at Green Hills Subdivision Swimming Pool. Your cameraman is Subling, the bubbling.
That's me. That's me.
Mr. Brent Sumipit will demonstrate proper diving,
Okay.
basic diving. Oh, really, my friend? Okay,
Master Sergeant.
as you can see his body, yeah, very good. Oh, baka ka man.
Yun.
Oh, kami.
Coming.
Back here. That's a dive for competition. Basically, we all do that safely in the pool. So if you don't know how to dive, just jump like this. Oh,
Like
come
this.
on!
Oh, jump.
Jump.
If you don't know how to dive daw,
If you don't know how to dive, you just jump the pool like this. Do it safely. Waka, jump. Oh, wala, jump. Jump lang, jump.
shoot! Ganda oh.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe my January. Thank you.